everyone, my name is Nesta and you're welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're talking about resizing images using HTML, but this time we are not going to use an external CSS file, but rather we are going to do it inside our HTML file. So let's get started by creating a div tag. And inside this div, we are going to give it a class name called container. Inside this div or this container, you're going to create another div called we are going to give the class of image container. And then we are going to put images inside this div. SRC. I have an image folder inside my work, and yes, so that's the first one, and we are going to give it an alternate of img1. Close that, and then we copy this whole div and paste it. Do that by 3 times, and there are two other images in the folder. Second one is 65252, and the last one is 817. Change this okay from 1, this one 3, and the second one 2. So that's it. Let's save this one and see what our web browser shows us. So yes, as I expected, our images are huge because from the camera these images are like 1280 by something, so they are supposed to be big. So now we'll start by resizing them using an inline CSS. So inline CSS is more or less like CSS that goes with our HTML element or horizontally in our HTML element, instead of creating an internal CSS, something like this, and inside within the HTML tag we'll create a style tag again. So this is this over here is an internal CSS. It's what we call internal CSS, but we also have something called inline CSS. So that one, it goes like this. So with that, give it a weight of 300 pixels and a height of 250 pixels. So that's for the first image. Let's run that, save it first, and run it. So yes, as you can see, our first image has been reduced to a much more smaller size, and it's quite appreciable. So let's do that for the second and then the third image. We'll copy this and paste it further. Let's save that and then we'll run it again. So yes, as you can see, our pictures over here are now much more smaller, but I would like them to be arranged in a horizontal order instead of it being vertical. So you can do that by this time we are not going to do inline CSS, but we are rather going to use the internal CSS way of doing it. So let's start by targeting our container class over here, or the first div element, or the container class. So in CSS, in order to show that you are targeting a class, you have to start with a dot, then the name of the or the name of the div or the class. And I saved it as container. So first we are going to put the display to flex. This allows us to display our images in a horizontal order. And then secondly, we are going to give it the align items to the center, and then justify content to center. So see that. Yes, so now our contents, our pictures, our images are now arranged horizontally. Next, we are going to target the image container class over here, so that we put borders and paddings on the image so that it looks much more appreciable. We are going to give it a background color of aquamarine. Right now you might not see, but after we add our borders and our padding, you see the color very much more nicer. Next, we are going to give it a border radius of 25 degrees. Pixels. Then next, we'll give it a margin from the top 0, and then the right, we're going to give the margin of 25 pixels. Save that, then give it a padding of 25 pixels, and then run the code. So yes, now you can see our images. So as you can see, our images have now been arranged in a horizontal order. But we have a problem. Okay, so let's continue by. Okay, so first of all, the margin over here is used to separate the images from each other, and the padding is used to add padding inside the container. So something like this is a padding. Yeah. And then next, we're going to focus on the border, and border 25 pixels, solid and round. Save that. So yes, now you can see so this here is our border. So that's the brown colored side of our images, and then the aquamarine colored side of our page of our images is the padding. So next we are going to target the images itself in our internal css, and do that by typing img. Then we'll give it a border radius of 25 pixels. And then next up we're going to give it a max width of 100%. So the max width ensures that our images, they don't exceed our container's width. So this here, our container, the max width enables our images not to exceed their sizes. Next up, we are going to add a height of 2. Say, and this just maintains the aspect ratios of our images. So let's save and then run it again. So yes, right now the images are too small. Okay folks, that's it for today's videos. So as you can see, we have been able to resize our images, make them horizontal, we have arranged them horizontal by each other, and then we've also been able to add a border radius and then give it a border of 25 pixels and a padding of 25 pixels. And then we've also been able to give our images themselves a border radius of 25 pixels. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you watch out for the next video, and please, there was a JavaScript video before, and if you want to learn more about JavaScript, you can go and look for that video, and the link is available at our video description. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next episode. Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye bye.